Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly while others struggle their whole lives? What if I told you that the key to unlocking infinite possibilities lies within your own mind? More specifically, in the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're going to explore how the subconscious works, how it shapes our reality, and how we can reprogram it to create the life we truly desire, using insights from Dr. Joe Dispenza and the fascinating world of quantum physics. If you're watching this video, congratulations. You're part of the 1% of people seeking real transformation. While most people remain unaware of their own power, you understand that there's something bigger, something beyond the ordinary, waiting to be unveiled. You know that reality isn't just what we see, but what we create. And today, you'll discover how to access your subconscious mind, the hidden force that shapes your destiny. The subconscious mind is like a supercomputer running in the background, processing millions of bits of information per second. Unlike the conscious mind, which deals with logic and reasoning, the subconscious governs our automatic behaviors, emotions, and deeply rooted beliefs. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, about 95% of our thoughts, feelings, and actions are controlled by our subconscious mind, which means that most of what we do is based on old programming and unconscious patterns. Think about it. If your subconscious is full of limiting beliefs like, I'm not good enough, money is hard to come by, or I don't deserve to be happy, then no matter how hard you try to change your life consciously, you'll keep running into the same roadblocks. That's because your subconscious is constantly filtering reality in a way that confirms these beliefs. But here's the good news. You have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind and rewrite your reality. Quantum physics teaches us that reality isn't as solid as we once thought. In fact, at the quantum level, everything exists as pure energy and potential until it's observed. This means that our thoughts and emotions, which are also forms of energy, have the power to influence reality at a fundamental level. Dr. Joe Dispenza often talks about the observer effect, a principle of quantum physics which suggests that our attention and focus actually shape the outcomes we experience. When we direct our thoughts towards a desired future and embody the emotions of that reality as if it's already happening, we begin to shift our energy field to match that outcome. In other words, if you think and feel as if you're already successful, happy, and abundant, your brain and body begin to align with that future version of yourself, attracting those experiences into your life. Now the question is, how do we reprogram our subconscious mind so that it stops working against us and starts working for us? Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasizes the power of meditation to access the subconscious mind. When we enter a deep meditative state, our brain waves slow down, shifting from beta, conscious mind, to alpha and theta, subconscious mind. In this state, we become highly suggestible, allowing us to implant new beliefs and visions of the future. Try this exercise. Every morning, visualize your ideal life as if it's already happening. See, feel, and immerse yourself in that reality. The more emotion you put into it, the stronger the signal you send to the quantum field. 2. Affirmations and autosuggestion. Our subconscious absorbs repeated statements as truth. By consistently affirming powerful beliefs like, I am worthy of success, I attract abundance effortlessly, and my body is healing and thriving, we begin to replace old limiting programs with new empowering ones. Your subconscious mind responds more to emotions than to words. If you constantly feel stressed, afraid, or doubtful, your body memorizes these states and keeps you trapped in the same reality. To break free, practice gratitude, joy, and love daily, even before your circumstances change. This sends a new signal to your subconscious and to the quantum field, magnetizing better outcomes for you. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about how we become addicted to our identity, to the familiar thoughts, feelings, and habits that define us. To create a new reality, we must step beyond our old identity and begin to think, feel, and act like our future selves. Ask yourself daily, how would my abundant future self think and behave today? Then, embody that version of you. The subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can either keep us stuck in old patterns or be the key to unlocking an unlimited life. Thanks to the groundbreaking work of Dr. Joe Dispenza and the discoveries of quantum physics, we now understand that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape our reality. If you want to change your life, start by changing your inner world. Train your subconscious mind daily. Stay committed to your vision. And remember, you are the creator of your reality. Now take a deep breath, set your intention, and start applying these techniques today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's manifest an abundant future together.